Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about how to protect your hamstrings by simple exercises. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. If you have a chair and a job behind the desk, you may spend all hours of the day sitting. This is how you gradually experience a kind of vague pain and discomfort when sitting. Doctors have a lot of specialized terms to describe and explain this condition, but this issue is called dead butt syndrome or gluteal amnesia. In today's video, we are going to be sharing with you some tips and information about this issue, and at the end, we will introduce some exercises and stretches to prevent this problem. So, stay tuned with us. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Weak and shortened muscles in this condition can disturb the balance or create a kind of imbalance. Prolonged sitting weakens the gluteus medius muscle, one of the three main muscles in the buttocks. The function of this muscle is to stabilize the pelvis and thighs, and if it weakens and does not function properly, it will cause pain in the pelvis and lower back. These pains are usually found when sitting and sometimes walking. Sometimes even the nerves in this area are involved and cause numbness. The most important cause of dead butt syndrome is sitting at a desk or driving for long periods. Is it possible to protect the buttocks from this condition without surgery, medicine, and high expenses? Absolutely yes. Symptoms of the dead butt syndrome. After sitting for a long time, the gluteal muscles in your buttocks feel numb or even slightly sore. But some gentle stretches can bring them back to life very quickly. In more serious cases, the symptoms of dead butt syndrome can cause pain and stiffness elsewhere. You may experience pain in one or both of your pelvis, lower back, and knees. The pain may reach your feet, similar to the feeling of sciatica. If left untreated, DBS can also lead to loss of strength in the gluteal and hip flexors. If one pelvis is specifically affected, just lying on the other side may hurt. Interestingly, people who run a lot are more at risk for DBS. The pressure of long-distance running, or any strenuous exercise, can be great for muscles and tendons that are in the same position for a long time. Other types of athletes and ballerinas are also at greater risk. See your doctor if you experience symptoms of dead butt syndrome, especially during weight-bearing exercises, such as walking or climbing stairs. A sports medicine specialist or orthopedist may also be a good choice to evaluate your symptoms and start treatment if necessary. Your doctor will look at your symptoms and medical history and look for areas of pain and stiffness. You may be asked to move or stretch your legs in different positions and split any changes in symptoms. They may also do X-rays or MRIs, but only to rule out other possible conditions. These types of imaging tests are not particularly effective in diagnosing DBS. Prevent DBS. The simplest prevention strategy for dead butt syndrome is to cut back on prolonged sitting with periodic walks. Going up and down stairs can be especially helpful. If you need a reminder, set a timer on your phone or computer to alert you every hour or half an hour. This movement stimulates blood flow in tight areas and revives your dead butt. In general, try to use the stairs as much as possible. It not only activates the muscles and tendons affected by DBS, it is a weight-bearing, cardiovascular exercise. Exercises for DBS. There are several simple exercises that you can do several times a week to help maintain the strength and flexibility of the glutes, hip flexors, and hip joints. Number 5. The hamstring stretches. There are several ways to stretch the muscles behind the thigh, but a simple way to stand with the left foot in front of the right with the right leg slightly bent and the left leg straight. Bend slightly at the waist until you hold the hamstrings slightly for 10 seconds, then switch legs. Try to hold the tension for 30 seconds at a time. Number 4. Squat. This exercise strengthens the glottis, quadriceps, hamstrings, abdominal and calf muscles. You can do it with or without weights. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. While tightening your core muscles, bend your knees gently so that your thighs are almost parallel to the ground. Then slowly return to your original position. This is 1 repetition. Do 2 to 15 repetitions a few days a week. For added strength, use a specially designed shoulder barbell or squat rack. Number 3. Leg lift. This is one of the best exercises for the core muscles and hip flexors. Lie on a firm but comfortable surface. Keep your legs straight, lift them slowly enough to keep them straight but feel bent. Then lower them gently again so that your heels are a few inches off the ground. Do 10 repetitions for each set. Number 2. Bridge. This movement is a very effective exercise. This movement not only relieves pelvic pain but is also useful for strengthening the muscles of the back, abdomen, and buttocks. Follow the steps below to do the bridge movement. Lie on your back and bend your legs so that the soles of your feet are completely on the ground. Keep your legs as wide as your hips. Squeeze your abdominal muscles and lift your hips off the floor. It should be mentioned that your back should be perfectly straight and your knees and ankles are also straight. Try your body from shoulder to knee to make a straight line. Hold this position for a few seconds and then slowly return to the ground. Number 1. Lunges. Stand on a chair with your feet up. Open as wide as the pelvis. Raise one foot and place it on the chair and the other foot slightly on the floor. Tilt your upper body slightly back. Take 3 to 5 deep breaths. Return to the original state. Repeat the same for the other side. Repeat this stretch 3 times. This stretching helps to create a healthier connection between the tissues of the lower back and legs. You should stretch the front of the pelvis and the thighs of the foot on the floor. The thigh of the foot on the chair should feel parallel to the ground. Keep in mind that if you do not control your glutes and hip flexors and then push up by running or other strenuous activity, you may feel that these symptoms are returning. If you are a professional runner, you may want to talk to a sports medicine professional about performing functional motor screening, FMS, which biomechanics analyzes your running form. This can help improve your performance and reduce the risk of DBS relapse. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.